The layers panel. Check in your panels menu here to the right and see if you have the layers panel open. If you don't, once again go to Window, Layers, and it'll open the layers panel here in the menu. Inside the layers panel, you can see all of the objects on the currently viewed spread. So in this case, in my layers, I have the image, the green rectangle, and the placeholder text. On the left side of the layers panel, there are these eyeballs. These are the visibility icons. You can click on them to turn off and on the visibility of that object on the spread. Right next to the visibility icon, there is a space where you can click to lock that object. This is a really great thing to do if you've got parts of your spread arranged perfectly, but you're still working on other things that you're moving around and you don't want to accidentally move something that you've worked hard to really place right. Also, if you're trying to move something and it doesn't move, check in the layers panel and see if maybe you've locked something that you didn't mean to lock. To the right hand side of the panel, there are little squares here. If you click on them, they will select that object on the spread. And also in the layers panel, you can rearrange the stacking order of the objects on the layer. So if the object is selected, you see the little square filled in there, you can move it up or down in the layer order. So since that rectangle is behind the image, so lower on the stacking order, you can't see it because it's below. So on a spread like this that has some objects that are overlapping, you can use this ability to reorder your layers to put everything in the right place. So for example, in this layer I have placeholder text, the rectangle, the image in the bottom right corner, and the large image on the left spread. And I'd like this image on the left spread to be higher up in the stacking order, so I'm going to select it by clicking on the square, and I'm going to move it above the rectangle. And then I'm going to take the rectangle, select it, and move it below that image. So there you can see I've changed my stacking order.